Hey guys, Ben Graham here with Remax. Today's issue is about cutting the cord on that cable, that TV. We just did it about 3 months ago, switched over to a platform called YouTube TV. It's like 40, 45 bucks a month. Don't quote me on that, but it's been amazing. Way better than cable. In fact, we have never even had cable, so it's kind of a moot point. But bottom line is, it's significantly expanded our choices and our flexibility, our control, and ultimately, it's a way to save money for those of you. And I know there's way more people that have cable than don't. How to save money and ultimately put that into wealth creation, asset building. That's really what I'm trying to focus my efforts as your real estate agent on, and my efforts as your friend is how we can build your assets and build your wealth. And one way to do that is to cut expenses so you can reinvest those either into your home to build the equity or into investment opportunities, real estate or not. I firmly believe in that. And if you have any questions on how we can do that second part of this equation, I would love to be of service to you. Anyhow, take care.